Check it out, friends. This is the Manscaped Body Buffer. We're gonna take a closer look at it today. Okay, so this is a silicone body buffer. Basically, you can see it scrubs, but there's no scum. It's made from 100% antibacterial food-grade silicone. So these silicone lengthened bristles, basically it delivers an enhanced lather. You can kind of soap up a whole lot better. And again, with that silicone, it doesn't hold in all the bacteria. Now here's a better look at the body buffer outside of the box. You can see those silicone bristles there. I'll get a closer view down on the bottom. Again, it's really well made. It feels really good in the hand. We have a little area where we can hang it in our shower. And then we have that really nice handle on the back, again, that I can grip inside with 2 fingers. And that allows me to really get a good scrubbing action. Now, this is something I've used in the past, one of these little loofah sponges. And to be totally honest, this looks like something more my wife would want to use. Definitely feels like I might be getting more of an experience that I'm looking for by using the body buffer here. So hopefully that helps, friends. Definitely take a look. It's available right here on Amazon.